can see now the masala and chicken, the rice, and the saffron, it gives special aroma and a taste.
Hello friends, welcome to Dragon Fish. Today in this video we're going to make a delicious Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. Come on, let's dive in. To begin with, let's fry the onion until it's golden brown. Before this, don't forget to soak 3 cups of rice in water. Now let's transfer this fried onion to a bowl.
Now let's add all the spices in masala to marinate this 500 gram chicken.
Use only 40% of the fried onion to marinate the chicken because we will need fried onion in the later part of this recipe. Now nicely apply the masala on the chicken. Then add ghee and extra spices to the chicken. Now again mix everything and keep it in a refrigerator for an hour. It's been almost an hour. Now pour the marinated chicken into the flat bottom vessel. Make sure you spread the chicken equally in the vessel. Keep the flame low and keep it aside for roughly 10 minutes. We ran out of fuel. Now let me change the cylinder. While chicken is being cooked, let's cook the soaked rice. Wait until the water is boiling, then add these spices to the boiling water. Add soaked rice to the boiling water. Cook the rice until it is 70% cooked because we will cook again using steam. You can see the rice is 70% cooked. Now we will add this cooked rice to the chicken. Drain the rice and cover the chicken with the rice. Spread the cooked rice evenly. Now let's add those fried onions that we saved and sprinkle some mint leaves and coriander leaves on top of this. Add a few cashews and dry grapes. Now sprinkle saffron syrup. This will give you a nice aroma and yellow coloring. Place the stove on a low flame and cover the vessel and wait for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, let's open the lid. If the bottom of the vessel is dry, then our biryani is ready. While serving, start with spicy rice and end with white rice on top.
So now our chicken Hyderabadi Dum Biryani is ready, and the chicken is nicely cooked and the flavor and the aroma is very nice. Let me taste it. The taste is very nice and the spice levels and the salt, everything is absolutely perfect. And I think you should try this at home and post your comments in the below section. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every week. Until then, see you. Bye.